Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. This is Carly at Crafting with Class, and today I have a super fun interactive baby album that I made for my friend's daughter who just had her first baby. And as you can see, it has a really cute interactive camera feature on the front, and everything begins with the construction of the album. So I made this album 100% from scratch. I followed one of Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking tutorials, and if you've not seen her channel, she is amazing. I will link it in the description box. So I used that for the basis of my album. So let's take a peek at the finished album. So here's a walkthrough of the baby album. So it has a belly band that wraps around, and on the front cover there is the magic iris with the camera add-on from Lawn Fawn, and when you pull that little down, then it has the baby's name and his birthday. So that's the little interactive feature on the front. So then the belly band slides down, slides off, and then this is the cover, and these are not decorated only because I don't want it to prevent the belly band from sliding off easily. So here's how it opens up. So we'll start on the left side first. So there are magnetic closures throughout. This one here, there's a magnetic closure to keep that side, along with a little Velcro because this one's kind of thick. So we'll start on this side. So I left the opening so the person can stick any memorabilia or pictures there. This opens up there. And then on this side you have a little photo wallet. So again, it's magnetic. So there's a space there for journaling or pictures. And then this comes down and you have a waterfall here. So there's room for pictures like that. And then the last one has a pocket for anything, memorabilia or pictures. And then at the bottom you have space for more journaling or more pictures if you want. And then this will close like that. And then you have a big space for either two small pictures or one 5x7 or bigger. And then all the little embellishments are just glued at the bottom or on the sides so that the person can tuck things in there. So this one opens up, and then you have the space for more pictures here. And then same thing in the middle, you have wide space so you can tuck in pictures, or this one is a pocket as well. So all the little things lift up. Now this one lifts up, and then you have another space for two pictures or a combination of pictures. And then you have this page here that again, you can have a combo pictures or one big picture. This lifts down, and then you have another page where you can put pictures or one big picture. And then in the back you have a pocket, and then I just put these cute little cutouts that came in the pattern paper. So that is a pocket in the back. So this flips up, this flips down, this flips this one down, and this one, and then this holds it all together like that. All right, now the other side. So this is a purely decorative page, and these are all popped up. I just took elements and I just popped them up, and then this folds up, and then you have a page for one big picture or a combination of pictures there. Then you have the page underneath, and again you have room for multiple pictures or one big picture. This folds down, and then you have another page at the bottom for more pictures. And then in the middle, you have another waterfall space. This one has a closure here that's also magnetic closure to hold all of that down. And so this is another waterfall. This is 4x6 size, and this one has an interactive pop-up built in there, and then more waterfall pictures, and then again it has that pop-up feature there as well. So then all these fold down flat, that holds it together. Then this opens up, and then you have space for more pictures. And then on this side you have a pocket page, so I just stuck the little extra cards there. And then this one opens up this way, and you have another pocket page the same as the other side, and you have more little cards. And then in the middle you have two wallets, brag books kind of like. So these will fold like this, and you have room for pictures here, 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 here. So lots of room for pictures. And then the same thing here at the bottom. So you flip up, and then you have room in all of these for pictures. And then you have the full page to add one big picture or anything like that. And so these will go in like this, and then these will go in one at a time like this, and then that's that page. So then we have this that comes down, this one that goes this way, this folds that way, and then the cover on that. And that is the baby book, and I hope that you like it. It's fun to make. It took a ton of paper, but I think it came out beautiful. And then here is the belly band that will just slide on just like that. And with listening. The final book measures 8 by 10. It has a 1-inch spine, and I love how much room there is to add pictures, memorabilia, journaling, all those wonderful things that you want to add to remember the baby. And I use Doodlebug's special delivery papers for this too. So cute. Thank you so much for watching, liking, subscribing. I will list all of the information for Rosa Kelly in the description, so if you want to make one for yourself, you can. If you want to watch anything else, here are a couple more videos for you. Thanks. Until next time. Bye.